Hi everyone, I'm Amanda Pasciucco. Hit like, subscribe, and the bell. We're gonna talk about chasing women. And I mean pursuing women who are interested in you. So as a sex therapist, I get asked this a lot. How do we do the chase? Stay until the end so you understand what you need to do to get out of the dating game and into a long-term relationship with someone who wants to be chased by you. First, focus on building a connection. There is more than just attraction. If you are only someone who's pretty, that's not enough. You need to be able to listen to people, hold emotional space for them. You have to be willing to offer something that they want in a relationship to make the chase something that they're interested in. So first step, connection. Next, be clear about your intentions. Don't hide what you want. Finding the right person takes time because there are many right people and a lot of people that won't be a match for romantic, sexual, emotional connection. Keep putting yourself out there and meeting new people. Do not get discouraged. Use something like 200 no's a week, get me closer to 1 yes a week. I know that seems like a huge number, and that's kind of the repetition that we want to be looking for when we're trying to figure out how many times a week we're rejected in the dating world as a single person. Be patient and persistent. If you like someone, don't start dating someone new and putting pressure on the original person. So don't start dating someone and be like, well, I found someone else, and try to like rush them. Rushing someone, putting pressure on somebody is not attractive. That's not the chase. That's an ultimatum. It's the opposite of a chase. Next, show genuine interest. Actually be interested. Ask curious questions. Don't assume that you know the answer, even if you do ask questions, because your version of something might not be what someone else has as their version of the same topic. Being a good partner and doing the chase is all about cultivating an environment of fun and play. Something where that person feels safe and you feel playful so that you have this back and forth chemistry of connection that is the chase. What's your favorite part of the chase? Comment below. Remember that the point of chasing someone is to continue in their life. The point is to build connection. When you find someone and catch them, leave them better than you found them. Be there as someone who's going to support them. If not, are you just using someone? Because we're not trying to use people. Chasing someone that we want to be in a relationship with is about actual trust, connection, and building honesty, transparency. The chase is the fun part, but this is all built because we have a strong foundation. Those are my tips on how to pursue different people when you're in this phase. If you want to understand how to communicate better, of course, you can get the guide below or click on the link. You can hit like, subscribe, and the bell. Comment below if you have any questions or comments for new videos. I release videos Wednesdays at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Catch you next time.